Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trim a video in Canva. So here I'm going to just add the video first to my design. Okay, let's see, I added um okay, this video is right here. And you can see before that the video is 17 seconds long and I want to trim it, for example, to 10 seconds. So what you need to do is just click on the video and at the bottom swipe until you find the scissors icon here. Click on that, and here is the trim option. So if I want to make it shorter at the beginning, just drag the beginning like this, and if you want to trim the end, just drag the end or the right side like this. Okay, 10 seconds like that. Now just click on the close icon. Now the video is 10 seconds long. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.